Chili pepper, chili powder. Just how dangerous can they be in the presence of naked fire? Sitting in a pile, they post little or no thread, with only the top layer igniting. Wick soon oxidizes and no longer burns. In this position, the particles beneath the surface are oxygen-starved. Since oxygen, a primary element of combustion, is absent, the particles fail to go up in flames. But dispersing the particles in air gives them a larger surface area, allowing them access oxygen, which completes the fire triangle along with the heat from the lighter, our ignition source, and the chili particles that act as a kind of low-quality fuel. As a result, they rapidly ignite and burn violently.
Unfortunately, the weather condition outside and some other factors wouldn't make our experiment work, so we went back to the drawing board and had this.
As a result, they rapidly ignite and burn violently. The same is true with chili pepper. Which do you think reacted more violently? Let us know in the comments. Meanwhile, be sure to exercise caution next time out working with chili pepper and powder in the kitchen or anywhere else.
Check out this video where we crushed one of the other seeds in your kitchen with a cast iron.